I'm Timothy Mancuso. I work for RWJ Barnabas Health, and I am an athletic trainer within the athletic training department. It takes a legacy lineage from Dale Carnegie, and it passes it along to the future leaders because it's teaching principles that have been around for such a long time, but allowing you to implement them in your everyday life, and makes you realize what you are doing, what you're not doing, and what you can emphasize even more. I believe that system-wide for our athletic trainers will create a better environment that people are enjoying working within, and kind of help them break out of their shells and kind of show their specialties and work on some deficiencies as well.